Hey everyone, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video from my Creative Scrapbook Kit Club. Today I'm using their November main kit, and this gorgeous festive kit features the Vicki Boutin Evergreen Holly collection from American Crafts. I'm also using one of the cut files that is included with your kit subscription. This cut file is from PearTree Cut Files. It's called Terri's Christmas Garland. This is really going to be a quick, easy page. I fussy cut out a bunch of poinsettias from the poinsettia pattern paper, and there's also a die cut poinsettia from the die cut pack that I am using for the base of my wreath. I'm arranging the cut file so I can see the green sprigs poking out, and put the die cut right in the middle over the top of it where the poinsettia is in that cut file. And then I'm just alternating my poinsettias. They are different sizes, so I'm alternating large and small, and I'm also putting some foam tape behind the small ones to pop them up to give my wreath some dimension. Fussy cutting does take some patience. I usually can fussy cut pattern paper while I'm watching a TV show if I have enough light, or my favorite time to do it is during work meetings while I'm working from home. I'm scrapping a photo of my little elf on the shelf there. He is sitting by the milk and cookies I have out for Santa, maybe guarding them for Santa, who knows. And because I have this photo here on the right side, I know I don't have to have a full poinsettia there, so I can use the ones that I cut off from the edge of the pattern paper here, as they won't be seen underneath the photo. I also put some recycled chipboard on the back of my photo to save in my use of foam tape. Once I have all my poinsettias adhered down to my background pattern paper and my photo as well, I can start to add some embellishments. So I have the chipboard sticker sheet, and I thought it would be fun to add some of the chipboard houses into my wreath, as well as the holiday cheer chipboard to be my scrapbook layout title. I used two of the chipboard houses on my wreath and popped out the windows and the doors in my houses and set them aside because I can use them for extra support on the back of a photo on my next layout. I like to bend up the edges of my pattern paper, so on these poinsettias I don't adhere it down all on the edges, just in the middle. That way I can go through and bend up the edges of the paper to make it more dimensional. There was another chipboard piece I want to put on here. It says cookies, but the chipboard from American Crafts tends to be very thick. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my pick and I'm tearing off layers of chipboard from the back and then just adhering it down on top of my photo. My photo already has foam tape underneath it, and adding another really thick piece of chipboard on top is going to make this layout very chunky in my scrapbook album. If you're worried about your layout being too thick because of the chipboard, just remember you can always remove some of that chipboard from the back of the sticker that you want to use. There's some additional die cuts that I wanted to stick on here, so I'm going through the 2 packs of die cuts that came with this kit and looking to see what I would like to add on here. So I decided on a little cup of cocoa that I could put by my holiday cheer, and there is a 24 tag too that I decided to put it in the lower corner of my photo. One of the pattern papers in this Vicki Boutin collection is a black and white buffalo plaid. I had some black and white buffalo plaid ribbon in my stash, and I am tying a bow with my Bow Easy, and I want to put this on my layout. Wasn't exactly sure if I should put it at the top or the bottom, and then ultimately I decided to put it by my title, Holiday Cheer. The last thing I'm going to do to my layout is add a little bit of color with some glitter gold pops of color. I love these because you can add dots that are different sizes. And that's my layout. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all of the kits from my creative scrapbook. Bye bye now.